At Sunday, I went to Center Island with my mom, my friend Ibrahim, and his family, and these are the things I did. First, to get there, we took a bus to Kennedy Station, took a GO train to Union Station, took a walk to the ferry terminal, then rode the ferry and reached. On the ferry, I also saw the CN Tower, and the view was so beautiful. We went to some rides in Centerville. I went to the Ferris wheel, train, skyride, and roller coaster. In the Ferris wheel, when I was right on the top and coming back down, I felt like I was falling off, which was scary but fun. Now the roller coaster was so scary, but the least scariest parts were the least funnest, and the most scariest part were the most funnest. In the train, we started beside a river, then we were in the middle, then we went in a dark tunnel, and finally we finished. There was also a sky ride with a beautiful view. We went across a river, turned around, and came back. We even saw a farm. Finally, we went to the beach. We tried to trap water using a hole in the sand. When we were going back, we took the same route. Now you know what I did, and it was one of the best days ever.